Welcome to video number 9, getting URLs to each file. Okay, so in the previous video, we showed you how to transfer files to your Amazon S3 account. Now I want to show you how to get the URL so that you can go into your WordPress site or your HTML site and you can link the images, or you can link to your zip files or your video files or whatever files that you might have just uploaded. To do so, it's super easy to do. All you have to do is inside of the folder that you just uploaded to in your Amazon S3 account, click on that, or you can click on a bunch at a time. You can do that as well. But once you have decided to click on those, you right click and then you go to web URL. So you click that and it's going to give you a list of all the URLs. Now you can just click copy to clipboard. And if I open it up in a notepad, let's say for example, I can paste them in here. So that's the nice thing about the Cloudberry is it allows you to select all the URLs at one given time. Now, another thing I can do is of course select the individual URL, click on web URL and then copy to clipboard. Or I can open the link right here. But as you know, with the access policy that we created in the previous videos, this will not work because it'll only work if it detects if it is coming from a specific website. So I'm going to copy this to the clipboard. I'm going to go over here and I can just copy it here. And that's as simple and easy as it gets. You can take this URL, of course, you can go to your WordPress site, you can enter it into as a link. If it's a zip file, you can create a link, you create a download page using an HTML editor or WordPress, and that's how easy it is. So now that you understand how to create a bucket, how to connect everything, how to upload the files, from this point on, you're good to go. So again, congratulations for reaching the end of this video course.